Hello dear traders, today is the 29th of January. I'm Anna Kasatkina, you're watching Daily Financial News on InstaTV. Forex market participants are exercising caution again. Today, the revised US GDP data for the fourth quarter will be published before the American markets open. Most analysts are certain that the flash estimate of the US economic growth was overvalued, so the American economy could have expanded by 3% instead of 5%. During the Asian session, the US dollar weakened markedly, which allowed the Japanese yen to gain ground. So the dollar versus the yen pair sank by 60 pips to the level of 117.80 points. Please be aware that today the fundamental background did not favor buying the yen. A batch of statistics from Japan was expected to arouse the opposite investor sentiment. Nowadays, the essential problem for the Japanese economy is still being deflation. Consumer prices growth is keeping on easing its pace, so core inflation in December declined to 2.5% from 2.7%. Most analysts projected a slowdown to 2.6%. However, excluding the sales tax hike imposed in April, core inflation edged down to 0.5% from 0.7%, which has been recorded as the most subdued growth since June of 2013. Such muted inflation growth still causes concerns of the Bank of Japan. In fact, the regulator failed to hit the inflation target. Apart from low consumer prices, inflation is under pressure as a result of cuts in household spending and muted wages growth. Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has called on companies to share rising profits with their employees. In fact, some companies took such measures encouraged by the yen depreciation. However, these efforts have made no positive impact on inflation so far. This was Daily Financial News on InstaTV. Stay tuned for more. Bye.